It's 92. I'm gonna head out to Caleb's shop to do a little bit of work and some fun things with the 335i today. Man, I'm out here listening to Logic Young Sinatra 4 album on my way out to Caleb's shop, and the first song is titled Thank You, and it's him just like thanking his fans for allowing him to create what he wants and just kind of have creative freedom and do his thing. And I just want to thank you guys for allowing me to do the same thing. You know, 2 years ago when I started this, I was very self-conscious about filming and putting myself out on the internet, and it's so natural and so comfortable now because I have so many people that love what I do and love what I have to say and are just very supportive. So I guess I just want to say thank you to you guys for that, and thank you for allowing me to have creative freedom and supporting what I do and constantly pushing me and giving me advice on what I do. That's my little bit. Let's get back to the video. Thank you. Cake's on board. Hit me up.
No, hey, you can't just film. I'm naked, bro.
Alright, so we made it out to the shop. Today, we're literally just going to be doing an oil change on the 335i. We're going to show it to Jared. We're just going to basically be having some fun with the 335i, cleaning it up a little bit, just some little things. I'm going on a pretty long road trip at the beginning of August, which is just in a couple of weeks, and I want to make sure that this car is ready and good to go for that road trip. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing today. Okay, dudes.
Make sure to subscribe to Joan.
Okay everybody, so like I said, we're going to be doing an oil change today on this car. I've never done an oil change on a BMW before, and I don't have an oil filter wrench or any kind of oil filter socket, so we're going into this one with no knowledge whatsoever. I got the lights set up, I got the oil in the trunk, I got a new filter, and I guess first plan of attack here is probably going to be to drain the oil, then try to take the oil filter cap off because I don't want anything to like fly out or spill out from the oil filter housing. Alright, so the oil filter drain plug location is kind of weird. It's not pointing back. I hope that didn't hurt my car. This light just fell. But alright, it's like on the side. So it's right, you're gonna see this brace. This is pointing towards the front of the car right now. You see this like brace right here, this jack point. And then up here, there's like a trap door. And it's this bolt right here. You guys can see it. So I need to get like a drain pan over here, and I just need to take this off right now and then let the oil drain. We can do the oil filter like cap thing up top too. Guys, don't be like me. Wait till your car is not hot to start draining the oil, because it will get all over your hand and it hurts. Oil's draining about 7 quarts, so we gotta do a little bit of waiting. All right guys, so I forgot my oil filter wrench at home, so I can't get this cap off. So I'm gonna have to go to Advanced Auto. Thankfully Jared's gonna drive me over there so I can get a wrench so I can finish this oil change. It's super hot out right now. It's like 95. Sheesh. This is not my BMW.
Pretty close to it though. Just a little bit more torque.
Yeah, mine's just cooler. Get one of these. You need it.
John, I also never realized.
Alright dude, so here's the oil filter cap housing thing with the cage and everything. I already took off the old O-ring from here. It's the green one. It looks like this, which you probably can't see, but you'll be able to see it once I get it on. Alright, so that is now on. Now I gotta put the big O-ring on. Just slips right down and into the slot. Oil filter. Beautiful. This can go back in the car now. Now I just have to replace this itsy bitsy little crush washer O-ring for the drain plug, put the drain plug back in, fill it with this 7 quarts of oil, and we're done. Car says the oil level's good, so we are good. Car is good to drive. Check underneath for leaks. Yeah, we had one big one over there from the oil filter housing, but otherwise it's good. Dude, the Rally Miata with no doors is like the coolest thing ever. It's so fun to ride in. If you guys haven't seen Caleb's video, please go check it out. The link to his channel will be in the description, but that Rally Miata is sick. And I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't too fond of it until I rode in it with the doors off. That's true. Good improvement, Caleb, big time. But anyway, guys, I just really quickly want to say that I apologize for this video being so short. I know that it's probably not that big of a deal to you guys, but I just prefer to have a little bit more substantial of a video. So for me, it just felt short. It felt kind of incomplete. I know that I definitely showed you guys what I did on the 335i. That's pretty much all I did for that day. So it's not like I didn't show you guys anything. It's not like I left things out. I just really didn't have that much opportunity to film, to be honest. It was just an oil change. Hopefully you learned something, but the 335i is doing really good. There she is. She's warming up right now. I'm about to head out to the gym. I'm gonna go get a lift in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. We're almost at 3,000, which is super cool. I'm so excited. Things have just been going really well YouTube-wise lately, so thank you guys. And last but not least, as I always say, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.